new Nissan X-TRAIL 2023 model has been revealed. Next to the muscular exterior design, the new generation X-TRAIL also offers very modern but also driver-oriented interior. Customer research has clearly shown customers' preferences for easy-to-use functions for example, the AC, as well as the buttons that govern the central screen functions such as the audio and navigation. Car is available in both 5 and 7-seater configurations. When the two rear seats are not in use, the resulting trunk space puts the X-TRAIL among the top runners in its category for luggage space, with a total capacity of 585 liters, an increase of 20 liters. The larger, higher resolution 12.3-inch Nissan Connect display is a digital gateway to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. In front of the driver, there is a 12.3-inch digital cockpit that offers a choice of different layouts and information. Innovative 10.8-inch head-up display is also very helpful when driving, especially on unknown roads and cities. Tell me in the comments, how do you like this interior of the new X-TRAIL?